Hi, we meet again. Today we have great information for the NMN, based on latest Japanese clinical study demonstrates NMS insulin promoting effects. Supplementing rodents with NMN has been shown to improve metabolic, cardiovascular, and neurological health. Furthermore, taking NMN dramatically raises middle-aged adult blood NAD+ levels and enhances physical performance and improves pre-diabetic women's muscle insulin sensitivity. Whether supplementing with NMN improves other health parameters in adults, like markers of metabolic health, needs further investigation. Highlights: 11 healthy adults who took 250 milligrams of NMN for 12 weeks displayed a 5-fold increase in blood serum insulin levels after 2 months. The supplementation regimen substantially raised blood plasma NAD+ levels after the first month, which tapered off with continued NMN usage. The study showed for the first time that taking NMN increases blood plasma NMN levels, a phenomenon not observed in whole blood, for distribution to cells and tissues throughout the body. Supplementing rodents with NMN has been shown to improve metabolic, cardiovascular, and neurological health. Furthermore, taking NMN dramatically raises middle-aged adult blood NAD+ levels and enhances physical performance and improves pre-diabetic women's muscle insulin sensitivity. Whether supplementing with NMN improves other health parameters in adults, like markers of metabolic health, needs further investigation. Along those lines, published in Clinical Nutrition ESPN, Ukiyama and colleagues from Osaka University in Japan showed that taking 250 milligrams of oral NMN daily for about 3 months conferred a 5-fold elevation in blood serum insulin levels. The researchers went on to show that this supplementation regimen dramatically raised blood plasma NAD+ levels after 1 month, which tapered off in the subsequent 2 months of consuming NMN. Ukiyama and colleagues sought better insight into NMN's effects on human metabolism, so they measured insulin levels in blood serum blood plasma with clotting factors removed. The initial average blood insulin concentration was 6.95 IU/mol, which significantly increased 5-fold to 39.2 IU/mol after 2 months of NMN. At the 3rd month of NMN supplementation, insulin levels tapered off and were lowered to 28.1 IU/mol. Insulin levels were measured after lunch, and blood glucose levels that rise after eating stimulate higher blood insulin levels. Along those lines, the results show that NMN supplementation for 2 months increases insulin levels after meals to help the body's usage of glucose for energy. As with most studies examining NMN's effects on humans, the Japan-based research group sought to find how NMN affects NAD+ levels. They measured blood plasma NAD+ levels at 1, 2, and 3 months of taking NMN and a month after stopping NMN supplementation. They found, on average, that NMN increased NAD+ levels over 5-fold after 1 month, which tapered off at 2 and 3 months. The NAD+ concentrations at 1, 2, and 3 months of taking NMN were all significant. A month after NMN cessation, NAD+ levels dropped to near their initial concentrations. These findings confirm NMN increases blood NAD+ and suggests that higher NAD+ levels taper off for months during supplementation, since previous studies have shown that in whole blood, containing plasma, blood cells, and clotting factors, NMN concentrations don't increase by taking NMN. Uchiyama and colleagues measured NMN concentrations in blood plasma devoid of blood cells. Interestingly, they found that NMN levels more than doubled throughout the NMN supplementation regimen and that they fell back to baseline levels a month after stopping supplementation. Importantly, there was an extensive distribution of NMN concentration values for the 11 study participants, suggesting large differences in abilities to absorb NMN across individuals. Blood cells have significant effects when measuring NMN concentrations, and previous studies have shown taking NMN doesn't increase NMN concentrations in whole blood. Higher NMN concentrations in plasma without blood cells than in whole blood potentially means that blood cells quickly metabolize the majority of blood NMN, preventing diabetes with NMN. They study confirmed that supplementing with a modest dose of NMN to 150 milligrams per day substantially increases blood NAD+ levels, which taper off with months of continued supplementation. Interestingly, NMN also increased postprandial after a meal insulin levels. Since a previous study has shown that NMN also increases muscle insulin sensitivity in pre-diabetic women, producing more insulin with NMN could be a way to prevent diabetes, a metabolic condition marked by low insulin and insulin insensitivity. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this news. See you on next episode.